Welcome back to my channel, and also too, sorry if I'm gonna be like a little bit quiet. It's like 9:30 at night and I don't really want people to hear me, but yeah. I guess what I'm just trying to say is welcome back to 31 days of Allieween. I'm really excited. I've had so much fun creating these makeup looks, and even though like I'm not like a complete expert at makeup, I just had fun, and so you will see in some tutorials that some tutorials are better than other ones, and that's okay. I'm still a beginner. I'm no way a professional at all. I'm just having fun with it, and I thought this would be like a fun way to challenge my creativity along with like my skills, I guess, even though I don't really feel like I have many skills. But yeah, that's about it. If you don't know what Allieween is, it's basically just every day in October I upload a new makeup tutorial every day, and that's about it. So I mean, if I'm gonna rewind a bit, this is kind of my third attempt at it. My first year I called it Allieween, which was, just the H at the beginning and then the alley in the middle, and then that kind of just flopped. And then last year I just stuck to 31 days of Halloween, and I continued it on my Instagram account. By the way, it's gonna be linked down below. But the video part, it was a big hassle and like a big technical difficulty, and that wasn't very fun. So this year I've prepared, and I'm hoping I can make this my best try yet. I mean, third time's a charm, right? So we're gonna see. And so yeah, I guess that's just enough of me rambling. Now you know what Allieween is, and now you can, we will just get on into this tutorial. Alright, so first I'm taking the NYX black pencil liner, and I'm just basically outlining my eye sockets. And then I'm taking the Mehron Clown White face paint, and I'm just trying to build it up. And it's taking me quite a while, so be patient with me, please. And yeah, I just want my face like completely covered in this white face paint. And I felt like this face paint was just easier to spread out, and like it's a little bit more pigmented than the Snazaroo one that I've been using. Then I'm going in with the Snazaroo red face paint, and I'm just drawing kind of basically a wide shaped V above my eyebrows, like in between it and like the center. And then I'm drawing some little triangles on like the outer part of like my nose and like mouth. And then I'm taking the black Snazaroo face paint, and I'm basically just drawing like the holes of the mask. I had a picture of the mask like to reference in front of me, so that's just what I went off of. But if you use like any, like, you can go like on Google, look for Jason's mask, or even just like a hockey mask, and just copy that layout, and it'll be perfect. And then I'm actually going to fill in the eye holes with that same black Snazaroo face paint. Then I'm taking the NYX Cosmetics Primal Color in Hot Black, and I'm basically just kind of like shading like the eye holes and then the holes like in the mask to kind of make it look more defined and like rough in a way. And then I'm going in with the Rock Pro palette, their contour palette, and taking that deep contour shade, and I'm basically just kind of putting that like on like the white parts of the face, not like. Alright, and that is it for this makeup tutorial. I really hope you enjoyed it. I had a lot of fun creating it, as well as all of them. All of these were pretty fun. But anyway, that's pretty much it for today's look. We will see you tomorrow with a new one, but don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, whatever you want. Also check out my social media, link down below. And if you are a Pura Vida bracelet or a SandCloud shopper, don't forget to check out my discount codes that will also be linked down below. And I guess that's pretty much it. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you tomorrow with a new one. Bye!